Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Oluchi and you're very welcome. If it's not your first time, thank you for always stopping by. So I'm a makeup artist by profession and I'm also training to be an esthetician. Today's video is going to be all about the CERAVE Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. And yes, I've done a review on this before. I'll be sure to link it here. Yes, I think I'm right. So I'm going to basically tell you guys my experience so far, what I think about it, if I think it's worth it. And yes, I've been using this for 2 months non-stop. This is actually one of the latest cleansers. I did a review on it. I showed you guys how to use it. I tested it with makeup on because it's claimed that it takes off your, like, you don't need to, you know, double cleanse with this. It will take your makeup off without even having to use micellar water or wipes to wipe the makeup off in the first place. Did all this, it's all in the video, so do check it out. Like I said, I'll link it here and I'll also put it in the description box below. So today is going to be a 2-month update of me using this. I think I got this for about £9. If I'm wrong, I'll be sure to put the correct price. And then you get 236 ml worth of products in this. So it is their hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I know I've tried their foaming cleanser, which is suitable for people with oily skin like me. I've tried their SA cleanser, the one that contains salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is an exfoliator, so I've tried that one. And I also tried the hydrating cleanser, the one that is for people with dry skin. So out of these three that I mentioned, the least one I liked was the hydrating cleanser because it wasn't just for me. It's suitable for people with oily skin. It didn't just, sorry, with dry skin, it did just work for me. The SA cleanser one, it was okay. And then my favorite as at that time was the foaming cleanser one. In fact, I've done all these reviews. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below, so do check them out. And then so coming to this one, this is said to be for normal to dry skin, and like I said, I've got oily skin. But prior to now, there was a time my skin was dry and all whatnot, but I'm currently oily, which has always been my skin type. So let me show you what I've got left inside. I don't know, yeah, you can see I've gone like more than halfway through it, and I've been using this daily. Sometimes I use it 2 times a day, sometimes I use it only like just once, but I use this every single day. And then, like I said, I've used it for 2 months, so this is what's left inside. So would I say that it is like, it's, to be honest, I'm very surprised that it's just left here, because I thought that by now I would have like exhausted it, because like I said, I use it daily and sometimes 2 times daily. So it is said to be developed with dermatologists, and then it's got 3 essential ceramides, amino acids, and what else has it got? Yeah, so okay, let me tell you just in case you don't know. So ceramides are the protective lipid barrier on the skin. So basically, ceramides help to protect the skin from environmental factors, to prevent the skin from getting dried out. And then amino acids, they are known to be antioxidants, and then antioxidants help to, you know, fight off free radicals, and then it's basically protective as well. Then it helps to, you know, replenish the skin cells. I can go on and on and on. It's fragrance free. I believe that what it does is that the creaminess, basically, like when you've got your full makeup on, it basically helps to melt the makeup off, and then eventually it will lather when you add some water, and then it will wash everything off. And then when I did the first review, when I tried it out, I must say that I was highly impressed with what I saw, because I was like, how can just a cleanser take off your makeup? Like, it's just not possible. But to my greatest surprise, it did take off my makeup. I was super surprised, because I know that after washing my face with it, I did use micellar water and cotton pad and wipe my face, and I didn't see any foundation or any makeup left over. The only thing was that my eye area was, because of the kajal, and which is very normal, I had some residue of mascara and then eyeliner, which is supposed to happen no matter like, even when I use all those micellar water before washing my face, most times I still have some residue. That's very acceptable. I was very impressed to see how it took off the makeup, even without having to double cleanse or without having to use wipes, or, you know, to wipe my face before cleansing. And then, you know, since I started using this, I noticed that my skin doesn't dry out, because prior to now, like a few months ago, I was using tretinoin, which is known to be like the side effect is to be, it needs not to be drying. My face was very dry, you should see. In fact, it was even not peeling, it was even like it had what do you call it, is it peeling or scaling? It was flaking. Yeah, that's the word. It was flaking. I'll be sure to like put a little clip for you guys to see what my skin looked like before. And then with this, I know that when I used some other cleansers, even cleansers that was totally fine for me while I was using, before I started using tretinoin, when I started using those cleansers, my regular cleansers, I would find out that it would sting when I started using tretinoin. But with this one, there was no stinging sensation at all. And then now that my skin barrier is back to normal, like my acid mantle is okay, my dear, I still love this. And you know that even though it's supposed to be for people with even though it's made for people with normal to dry skin, this is amazing for me. Like, I would not lie, I don't know why each time I use any new CeraVe facial cleanser, I'll be like, oh, this is my favorite, but hands down, this is it for me. Like, I know I was saying it was the foaming cleanser one, but is this one for me, because the foaming cleanser is slightly drying compared to this one. This one doesn't dry the skin at all, and the fact that it's able to take away the makeup without leaving my skin dry, it is like amazing. I can't just get over this cleanser. It is my all-time favorite. I'm sure that I think I have like 2 more bottles in the storage somewhere, like safe, because most times then I remember I would always hunt for CeraVe products, but hopefully it won't reoccur. Hopefully they will get, like, it will be in constant supply in the UK. Like, I love this cleanser so much. I don't know, maybe in the future I'll see something new, and I don't know if, well, I know I would always have this in my stash. Even if I have like a new cleanser, I would always have this. This is amazing. I would really recommend this if you've got no matter your skin type, to be honest, oily skin, dry skin, it will work for you. And then if you wear makeup a lot as well, this would work for you. It will save you the time of using wipes, even money, time of using wipes and then micellar water to, you know, wipe the entire face, makeup first before washing it. You don't need, like, on the days when you're not in the mood, when you don't feel like double cleansing, this will do the job. You totally do not need to double cleanse. And like I'm telling you this for sure, because I have been doing it. Even now when I'm going to take this off, I'm not going to double cleanse, because it is around about midnight and I don't have that kind of time. A girl needs to sleep, so I'll just go straight with this, wash my face, and this does the job amazingly well. And the fact that it doesn't leave the skin dry, it's totally amazing. So it's also said to, so it says to cleanse, hydrate, remove makeup without disrupting the skin barrier. I totally agree with this. Then the amino acid helps to attract and hold water to the skin. It's gentle on the skin, fragrance free, balanced pH. This cleanser is my cleanser. Like, I mean, it's it for me. It is my all-time favorite at the moment. I don't know where, if I would see another cleanser that will beat this one, but until then, this is my current favorite. And you know, there's something about CeraVe products, I'm just obsessed with their products. I don't think I've really seen that product that from CeraVe that I've used and I've been disappointed, just besides the hydrating cleanser one. But I'm not to say that the hydrating cleanser is bad, but it wasn't just meant for me, because it didn't do the, like, I mean, it didn't work for me because it was just some type of way. But some people swear by it, they love the hydrating cleanser. I don't have anything against it, but for me it doesn't just work. But out of all their 4 cleansers, this is it for me. So yeah, be sure to say, like I said, be sure to check out my previous videos where I did a demo using this, and then I spoke about the other cleansers. And yeah, so if you really don't know what cleanser to jump on, check all these videos out, and then you would it will give you a guide to the cleanser that is suitable for you. And otherwise, you just jump on this one. This is totally amazing. So with all this being said, is there any other thing I'm missing out? Yeah, so guys, let me know if you've tried this cleanser out. Let me know if you've tried any other CeraVe cleanser out. What do you think about their products? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's worth the hype? I totally think it's worth the hype. They are amazing. They're an amazing brand. Just let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know, like I said, the cleansers you're using. I mean, if you've used any CeraVe cleanser, if you've even used this particular one, let me know as well. If you're going to get it, let me know how it turns out eventually. And with all that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and then I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.